Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Well, I made it back to the house and I brought with me 7 sheets of drywall, which was not easy to load by myself. So somehow I gotta get them down here. I'm gonna stack them right here against this wall, I think. And I think I need 16 for this, so I have a little less than half. Friday, I got the back and the sides, 2 different lows. One Lowe's had the back, the other Lowe's had the sides. Got these just crudely fit into place, but I got to take it all apart because I got to do the drain still. So here I am. I'm back. I'm going to get this stuff carried down and get started with this shower stall. Alright, so that was an absolute 0 on the fun scale. Here's my stairs. I hit a straight shot coming down, but it was terrible by myself. I'm not a weak person, but that does suck, carrying drywall, especially down steps. Alright, so I'm going to pull these sides in the back off there, and I'm going to get this drain put into place. And I think I gotta pour some concrete, and then I have to mix up. I have a half a bag of mortar, and I'm gonna set mortar and like lay this tub or this shower pan into mortar level so there's no give. And then that'll leave me the rest of the day to probably hang some drywall. So without further ado, let's get started with that now. Alright, so now that I think I got my mark after fitting and test fitting, so in between this joint I put some liquid Teflon, clean these joints with the purple PVC cleaner down there. So now I'm going to glue this piece on, and just to be sure that my riser's right, and alright, so I made a little wooden access that I could remove. I left the screws right here on the top so I could pull this screw, and yank this out. I put some concrete in here and waiting for that to set up, and then I could remove this, and then I could install the tub surround, or and then I can mix up this batch of mortar and set the base into some mortar. so while I was waiting for this cement to set up, I hung these the outside of the bathroom. I had a little bit of damage in drywall getting it here. No harm, no foul. It's right on my joints, and I could patch it anyway, no matter how big of a hole it is. Scratches, dents, whatever. Was able to pull the wood out of there, and just waiting for that to set up a little bit more. Then I can mix up my mortar and set it down, and then set this pan into it, get my drain hooked up. So we'll be back in a flash with that. Alright, so I got my mortar mixed, and it's underneath there, and this thing is sitting in place level. Now I gotta put the ring in. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put a little bit of caulking down inside of here. In between. And then this ring goes in. It's called the caulk ring. I'm going to put just a little dablet more of silicone to fill in the nooks and crannies when I crank this thing in. And now this ring, alright, so I put this on, and I didn't step in the tub in the pan. Tomorrow I'll screw all this in around here and maybe get some drywall on the ceiling above it. I got, I'm going to bring 7 more sheets tomorrow. I got 4 left, and I was thinking I needed 11 total to finish, so I'm all, my discussion ring is on and everything's hooked up, except I don't have the water lines over here run yet. I'm kind of jumping ahead, but alright folks, until tomorrow, thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Watch another video. Hit the like button. Chooch it.